Did you know construction workers accidentally discovered proof that Jesus' trial really happened? In 1990, builders in Jerusalem were working on a routine water project when their tools broke through ancient stone. What they found inside changed everything. Archaeologists rushed to examine ornate bone boxes called ossuaries, used for Jewish burials 2,000 years ago. But one inscription made everyone stop breathing. Joseph, son of Caiaphas, was carved into the limestone. This was the actual high priest who condemned Jesus to death. The same man described in Matthew chapter 26 who declared Jesus guilty of blasphemy. Here was physical proof that the gospel accounts were historically accurate. Even Jesus' enemies left behind evidence of that fateful night. The crucifixion wasn't just a story. It was real history, confirmed by archaeology. The man who orchestrated Jesus' trial had been found.